Hi, how's it going everyone? So today I finally received this wooden coffee table that I had purchased from this company in Columbus, Ohio. This is a made in USA real wood coffee table from a company called Steel and Pine. I was on the search for really cool real wood coffee table for a while, and I think I found a good one that I like a lot. This is finally here. So I'll do like a little unboxing here and show you guys what it looks like. Let's do this. So before I actually unbox the table, I kind of wanted to show you my little crib. So this is my studio apartment in Chicago. I have this 60-inch, was it 60? Yeah, 60-inch, this big Sony TV and my setup for the gaming and stuff. A little couch. I got this from my friend. Forgot the name of this brand. It's also actually made in USA though. They retail for like over almost like $1,500, but got it really cheap, like $200 because it was kind of old. So watch everything. It's kind of nice. Oh, I guess I can show you. It's a little messy, but I have like a dining and a kitchen area here. And the table would be placed between the TV and this couch. The space. The corner, I'm planning to get a record player there. That would fit right in there. I'll do the little tour after I'm done with the table, but this is kind of my room, and yep, let me show you the table now. And this was really heavy. I had to carry this in my apartment. We don't have any elevator here. It's not, I mean, I don't live in a really tall apartment, but it's really heavy. And I'll show you why it's so heavy in a sec. Might have actually, yeah, let's actually place this like that. There you go. So this is what we're looking at right now. Nice. Looks really nice. Wow, looks really nice. Get these off right here. These are the legs. Oh, wow. Looks very cool. You kind of see that. Nice. This will be the legs. Set that aside. Oof, oh, it's really heavy. Oh man, jeez. Wow, I love this grains and textures. Look at the knot or knob. I don't know what the term, but it's natural wood, like a real wood. And this finish is something that I chose. I think I went with the natural, or no, something. I chose a gray color because I wanted to match my gray furnitures, and I like the contrast of blue and gray. So this is the color I picked. I think it's a nice color. Let's put them together and see what they look like. It's gonna go like that. Go like that. Yeah, looks nice. Okay, and I'm using this little hardware here. Comes with like a little, what do you call it? Like a little cushion to help, I guess, to stabilize these hardwares and the screws. This is gonna go right here. Gonna go right there. So I'm gonna screw these guys in to them. Sand this thing up. Put that thing underneath and it will be done. I have some toolbox here. Oh, no, not this one. This one. I'm gonna use this screwdriver and work on this. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I just figured out. Yeah, I'm so dumb. These holes, they're not the pre-screwed holes. These are just, there's the screws in it to attach this piece of wood to that. So if you look at carefully, the three, little holes, that's where these are supposed to go. Okay. Oh, I'm so dumb. I have really bad eyesight. I couldn't see these. I was like looking at these and trying to align these ones to that, and that was that was impossible. And yeah, there's already screws in there. So yeah, man, I can't believe I was so stupid. Well, let's get back to it and see how this goes. So now I'm guessing this would have to go like here too. So let's do that. Okay. Yeah, I have to kind of undo this guy to adjust the placement. Let's unscrew this a little bit to adjust the placement like that. Well, actually, let me double. Go like that. Let's screw these guys in. Okay. Well, I think now it's stable. I could go a little tighter, I feel like, but it's good enough. Alright, I'm gonna walk on the other side and should be done. Whoa. Oh, it's heavy. Whoa. Oh, nice. That looks really nice. They're quite big. It could have been a little smaller, I feel like. I think this is a good size. Oh. It's a little wobbly, I think, because of just how I screw these. See if I can fix that a little bit. I just found out I have to put this together first and screw them in, and then put these legs on and do the same thing. So I'm gonna undo these and work on that. All right, I think it's done. It's a little wobbly. I'll fix that later, or I'll just put the cardboard, a piece of cardboard underneath to make adjustment. Let me actually flip this over. Oof. Okay. Yeah, it's a little wobbly, so I just put some cardboard for now. Is that a little better now? Okay. Oh, nice. I guess this is it. Oh, I'm sweating. I think the paint or the finish to be fresh. It's a little sticky. I picked up some like a dust on my carpet. Gonna wipe it, give it like a nice kind of clean wipe, and leave the window open because I can smell the chemical off this table. So I'm gonna leave it for a little bit, kind of let it sit and get exposed to the weather and all that. And I'm gonna come back later and finish up the video. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, this looks really good. This is the Steel and Pine made in USA wooden coffee table made in Columbus, Ohio. So it's almost 12 a.m. I got back home a couple hours ago. I left the window open because this finish, you can still smell the chemical of it. It's a little too strong, so I will see if it's gonna go away. I'm sure it will, but it's really nice. I will take a good care of this table, and hopefully I'll use it for the rest of my life. And also like to take you guys to a little tour of my little the new crib. It's been almost 6 months since I moved to this place, and I haven't really shown you guys my new place. Now I just got table. I think I'm missing record player and the cabinet for that, and maybe coffee machine. I think my room will be perfect, and that will be all I need for this room. I'm glad I got this table. It's really nice. The color though, this is they call this color classic gray. It's a little more like it's not as kind of cold or cool gray as I was kind of hoping like this, my couch or the TV stand, they're like a more colder gray. They also have a finish they call whitewash, and that might have been better in terms of how or what kind of gray I was thinking about. But this is, I like it. This one is good too. Be nice. So this is getting a little late, so I'm gonna go to bed and end the video here. If you're interested in this table, let me know. I'll leave the link for the website down below in the comment or the description. Again, still on the pain. It's a very cool company. And yeah, I'll make the tour video sometime soon, so if you guys are interested, stay tuned. And thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.